Ha. So your fresh pepper. 500. Oh, what they buy now? Give me fine carrot too.
Select.
Give me fine carrot. Iron.
Before it's 100 naira, 50 naira. Now you see that one they buy 100. They buy
300.
200 naira.
This one.
This one, man.
How much? 300, Abby. What about that one? In the best labaya. It's salt, Abby. Yeah, give me this one. They try one salt 200 naira. Midweek service. I need to start. I need to freshen up. I don't know what's going on with mine. So I tied my hair for a bit. I just finished filming 2 videos. One for IG, one. I think the lighting is actually very bad. It's too much. One for IG, one for YouTube. Yes. So this is what is going on my hair. So I just got a call from one of my accountability partner in church that Mimi, you need to make midweek service. So here I go. This light here is a bit too much. Let me turn this way. So yes, I don't know what I'm gonna do to this part of my hair, but let's just go and let me just shower. I don't know what I'm gonna wear. I don't know what I'm doing to my. I'm gonna do something and I'm gonna go. Bye. I'll see you guys. I'll take you guys along with me to midweek service. So I'm ready to go. Well, I've not worn this trouser in like 3 years now. So now just where I don't understand. First of all, I have to use a belt I hate to use, but I don't understand this VA. This thing that is like this. I think I need to change. I'm gonna change this trouser. I just changed the trouser. So this is actually a River Island jean. I've never worn this. I've had this since 2020. I've never worn it because it was a bit big. I just amended it this week. I think on last week Saturday I amended it and I'm wearing it. So this top is Armani. I didn't buy it. I took it from my mom. And yes, I'm going with my scarf and also going with a Bible. And I just feel like going with my Bible, physical Bible today. So this is my faith. I'm off to go. I'm good to go. I'm off right now because my ride is outside. Let's
you can correct certain things. So this is not God's will. This is God's will. Guess what? A lot of us will now say, you know what? Once we are here.
I'm not phosphorus. And that's because of that. No, I don't like to forget to be like, then keep everything on. It's carrot. We'll take it. That's good.